Hello and welcome in. This is a gratitude video for all my Telegram group members. Thank you so very much for believing in me. Thank you so very much for participating in Joyful July, and through which you've not only helped us provide complimentary healings, readings, apart from that, you've motivated us to do so much more. So, thank you so very much. And here I am with my Dragon's cards to give you the guidance for the times that are coming ahead. So I request you to think of a number between 1 and 5, 1 and 5 included, and let's see what kind of guidance comes your way. So I hope you've thought of a number, and I'm taking out a card for those who've thought of number 3. People with number 3 have received a card that suggests you to go ahead and heal your heart. Accept heart activation. If there's someone expressing their love to you, go ahead and receive it. Release all kind of reluctance that you would have in your heart and give and receive heart healing. Express yourself. If there's any resistance you think that you're facing, or there's something that is not working out well for you and you need an external support, go ahead and wear a rhodochrosite. It will help you self heal and come into the vibration of self love as well. If you wanted to know a little bit more about this, you can get in touch with me. Now I'm drawing a card out for people who chose number 2. You're requested to carry an energy of future and be a guiding light. There are times when we go ahead and we are simply depressed because of things that have happened in past. Maybe we've learned and we are not depressed, but we are still trying to live in our past, trying to draw instances and examples from our past. Well, stop doing that. It is time that you start thinking about your future. It is time that you pay more attention to what you wish to do from now on, where you need to reach. Maybe you would want to be organized to receive that in your life, or maybe you would want to plan your life for what you wish coming in to your life. So do not worry and start planning. Your dragons are with you, your guardians are with you, and they are requesting you to go ahead and look further ahead. Now, for people who chose number 1, here's a reading for you. Now this card is card of Golden Atlantean Dragon. This is asking you to awaken and bring back your knowledge, gifts and talents. Reclaim your mastery. This means that all the kind of personality that you've built, or soul pattern that you've built, or spirituality that you're walking ahead in your life, it is not this life's doing. It is something that you've built over a period of many lifetimes. This is the time to reclaim your core, true strength, the power. It could be power of love, power of joy, or power of peace, silence, patience, whatever it is. It is time that you start getting connected to the very true blueprint of yours, and be more yourself and exude the light that you truly are. If you feel that you're not able to go ahead and connect with yourself, every day for at least 1 minute, chant Om in your mind and simply focus on your heart when you're going ahead and doing it. Now, people who chose number 4, I'm doing a reading for you. I'm drawing a card out for you. It's time for a rapid transition and transformation. Relax, you're safe. So in coming days and coming time, you're going to be seeing rapid transformations and transitions that are going to happen in your life at this phase. If you wish your angels and your guardian dragons to support you, go ahead and invoke their presence in your life. You know that they will not intervene till the time you invoke their presence. So it is time to witness a great change in your life, and it is time to go ahead and invoke the protection, the power, the peace, and support of your angels and dragons at this hour. Now, drawing out one last card for people who chose 5 as their number. Okay, now this card is asking you to go ahead and destroy all the negative and old patterns. In order to flourish in your life, you need to break the shell of whatever has happened before. You need to come out of your own patterns. Maybe you're repeating things, and that's why there are certain patterns in your life that are repeating. So, if in order to see something new and in order to manifest something new, you need to break out of your own old patterns. And it's not only that, while you're moving into a new side, a new life, go ahead and work new affirmations around that are going to help you set a completely new manifestation, which is going to help you attract a completely new life through your manifestation journey. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio, and I thank you so very much for being here with me and taking this reading in. In case you need to know a little more about all these, in case you need to know about how you can connect with your dragons, angels, unicorns, or animal spirits, you can get in touch with me. And once again, I'm thanking all the members on the Telegram group for supporting me all this while. And as I end this video, I'm offering all those people who will be adding more people into our Telegram group a free reading up to 3 questions. So if you are willing to receive a complimentary reading, please go ahead and add more people in our group and receive it from my end. Thank you so very much. Thank you.